Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is MAISARAH binti Muhammad Isaini. I'm from 4B2. Today I will present my project, the Diary app, built using Flutter and Firebase. Okay, this app allows user to record daily thoughts, trade mode with emojis, auto attach weather and location, use voice note input, and log in with fingerprint, switch dark and light mode, use English or Malay language, receive push notification. Now, let me explain what is inside the folder. Okay, this is my project. The first one is main.dat. Main.dat is type the app and loads Firebase name and language. The second one is splash underscore screen.dat. Okay, this shows splash screen for 3 seconds, and the third is login underscore page.dat. Login with email and password plus fingerprint. And fourth is register underscore page. Register underscore page.dat is to create new account, and homepage.dat for all logic, code, weather, location, voice and search and FCM. And for profile underscore page for view and edit user profile, and setting underscore page for change language and view about, and trash underscore page.dat restore or permanently delete entries, and location.dat for English and Malay translation, and dim underscore notify.dat for dark and light mode management. And the last one is Firebase underscore option.dat for Firebase configuration. Okay, now let's move to demonstration for my project. Okay, I will click the apps. Okay, this is the icon for my app, and this is the splash screen. Okay, for splash screen, I apply future.delay this for future.delay. This intervening the screen and loading indicator. Okay, for number 2, login, email and password. This is my interface for login, and this is my code. This is the function of the body. Await underscore save password for traditional login and security protocol. Okay, the fingerprint is function. Okay, will appear like this. When I click the wrong finger, it will appear like this. If the right, will appear like this. Okay. And then successful to the login, the home page. Okay, for login by fingerprint just now, my code is from this to this. And then this is biometric login and utilize the device feature such as a touch screen. Okay, for login, if you don't have any account, you can create a new account. Okay, you can enter email, password and confirm password. Okay. Okay, for register page, this is my register page. I use await underscore out that create user with email and password, and completeness and traditional login. Okay, back to the login. Okay, username, email and password is saved, and click login. Okay, this is my home screen. My home screen have a drawer. Okay, in my drawer have a profile, setting, trash, mode statistic, search diary, logout, and if user want to change the mode, change to night mode. Okay, you can change. Okay, now the homepage coding is here. Okay, display entries in list view. Okay, consistency, center, color, and background and cut. and real-time data using Firebase. For weather and location, this is the code for location, and then for weather, okay, this is the code for weather. Utilize device feature like GPS and API integration, automate tasks. For create diary, this is the code await Firebase firestore.instant.collection diary.add for create and snack bar feedback. Okay, user need to select which one the current mode. If set, click this, and user can type or voice. If user want to type, then there is. And create save diary. It will appear diary save successful, and click OK. And for voice, user can voice like this. Hello, my name is SITI MAISARAH. Hello. It will appear hello. And then click save diary, and it will appear diary save successful, and click I am so happy. Okay, it will appear I am so happy, and then click save diary, and then it will appear diary save successful, and there it is. Okay, for voice input just now, in my coding is in homepage underscore state dot dat underscore speech dot listen to listen. Okay, utilize device feature like microphone and simplicity and minimalize. Okay, let's go to search. User also can search happy, it will appear happy only. And if user want to search sad, it will appear sad only. Okay. Okay, for the function of search, this is the code in home and page underscore state dot dat key final filter dot dat for search query, simple navigation and completeness. Okay, next put to refresh. Okay, this is the code put to refresh. Okay, this is the example. The put to refresh is gesture based navigation. For mode statistic in the home page, this is the mode statistic. Sad have 2, happy have 7, and angry have 1, and amazed have 1. Okay, this is the code final count string in. Sorry. Okay, pop-ups and overlays and personalization. Okay, next for edit diary. Okay, when user need to want to edit. Okay, click update, and then it will appear entry update. And this is the view. Hello, I am so happy today. Okay, this code for edit diary. Okay, this is for edit diary code here. Okay, have update, and then go to this can code for update, and next for delete and trash. Okay, when I want to delete this, hello, I am so happy today, it will appear this message whether user can enter yes or cancel. If I enter yes, it will be moved to trash. Okay, go to trash, and then this will appear. Just now, hello, I am so happy. And we have a button restore and delete. Code delete and trash and restore. Okay, for code delete and trash, here is the code. And then if user click remove, it will be removed. If user click suka awak is restore, it will be restore and it will appear. Okay, next. For restore function, here is the code in trash_page.dat. And then I will explain the profile page. Okay, profile management, user can edit and okay, in the profile page, here is the code in profile_page.dat. If user want to update their name, and then can edit this. Okay, click save. Okay, and then profile update is successful. Okay, for language page, this is the language page to switch whether user want to Malay or English. If Malay, it will change all to Malay. If user want to English, it will appear all English. For page, for user can change whether language Malay or English. Then in localization.dat, here is the code. Okay, here is the code. User also can change the dark mode, whether want to light mode or dark mode. Design trends and switching changing theme. Okay, here is the code theme_notify.dat. It will light mode default. Okay, for change to dark mode, I apply in mate.dat. This here is the code. Okay, dark mode successful. Design trends and switch changing. Okay, this here is for button navigation. Here have a diary, trash, and profile. Here for code button navigation. Okay, and then tab bar menu, one-handed navigation. Okay, for this is my drawer. Have a menu, hamburger menu, and simple navigation. Okay, here is the code for build drawer. Okay, here is the code for floating action button. Time zone design. And then okay, before I forget this, user can enter to in the icon of app if user want to add something. Okay, let's go back to the view entry detail. Okay, when user want to enter the detail, click example for happy. This will appear description, date and time, and location, and the weather. Okay, here for gesture detected code, I apply intervening screen and gesture based navigation. Okay. Okay, now go back to the Firebase. I will show you. Click get start in console. Here is my SITI MAISARAH diary. Okay, this is the view of cloud testing is sent. This is the text message I sent before this, and then this is for delete underscore diary just now, trash and delete, and this is for delete, and this is for create, and then this is for user that register my diary, and then this is my app overview, project overview. Okay, let's go to the code for Firebase push notification. Here is the code for Firebase messaging, cloud messaging, and third-party integration. And then go to Firebase console. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.